So I'm going to demo a new sound font I recently made called Super Metroid, based on the Super Nintendo game Super Metroid. As far as I can tell, it is my favorite video game. The exploration, the atmosphere, the many different ways you can play through it, and kind of special moves that can move you through in different ways. Just the feel of the game. Probably also because I was a late teen when I was playing it first, so good memories. So this is the menu sound, the background menu sound. So you can cycle through your fonts.
Metroid.
Back to Metroid, and then you can boot it up. And let's go through the power ons. So power on 1. Power on 2. Power on 3 and 4 are longer. Oops, didn't get that one. There we go. Samus getting a new item. And let's try the alternate power off here. There we go, Samus dying, and then power on 4. So then we have the swing sounds. Basically Samus doing her spins. Clash sounds. All of Samus's different weapons, Ice Beam, Spazzer, Charge Beam, Wave Beam, etc. We have missiles with blasters. We have a bomb array. And power bomb. And the amazing shine spark. So, and of course, I've colored the blade yellow and red to represent Samus's primary colors. So I hope you enjoyed. The font is Crystal Focus 7 Ready with
Metroid.
spin sounds, stab sounds, combo sounds. Combos will take you into various scenes of the game briefly, and spins will be based on the screw attack move, and stabs will basically be weapons plus other sounds from the game, so kind of combination sounds. Hope you enjoyed.